Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a slow motion video in your Vivo smartphone, how you can capture it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open camera option and then swipe right. You can see there is a more button. Here it is a slow-mo. Here you can see slow-mo. Just click on it and it is this cross means if you want to just remove this, then click on it and it is now applied. And how you can take a slow-mo, open a camera and you have to just press this button, okay, like this. I will take a photo. And friends, you can see the slow motion video. This is how you can make a slow-mo video in your Vivo smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.